On today's video, we make flower pens. Hi everybody, this is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects with Kids. Today, me and my daughter is going to try to make some flower pens. We're going to try because we have not done this before, so we'll see how it goes. Usually I try to, do something with both my kids, but Mac is easy to work with, but Judy, she has her own taste. So we're trying something new here and we'll see how it goes. Alright, what you need for this, you're going to need some plastic flowers, some floral tape, some regular tape, scissors, wire cutters, and pens. Alright, let's get ready to do this. Alright, first thing we're going to do, I think, is we are going to get the pens. Why don't you grab yourself a pen, like that. Take off the lid. We're going to get the floral tape. Let me see if I can get this opened. There we go, I think. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and take the scissors. We'll cut this off. Okay. Alright. I'll start Judy and I'll see if we can get this going and then we'll start on yours. First thing you want to do, Judy, is you want to take this, the floral tape, you want to put it at the very bottom here, and what you want to do is you want to start rolling it up, and and the idea is to hold tension on it so it will stick to the pen. Add a tension here.
What does a tension mean?
Well, tension means you have to hold it tight. You have to stretch it.
So pay attention is when you gotta look.
And that's right. See, I'm getting it, but it's not as good as I would like.
No, wait.
That's alright. This is just our first time.
But
You could tell?
Daddy.
Yes. What, Judy?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
But why is it like that?
Oh. You hold it tight and you keep it going. Go on. Making sure to cover it all the way up. Leave no part of the pen shown through. Now, what you want to do then is you want to stop about, I'd say about an inch and a half from the top. Put that down. There we go. Now, what you want to do is you want to get your flower. What we'll do is we'll cut it right here at the stem here where the leaves are. Just like that. Then what we'll do is take a piece of tape. I assume you can do it without the tape, but it's just easier. It'll hold it on there while you go when you do it all the way up, the floral tape. Like that. Make sure. Like that. Yeah. That'll hold it on there while you're doing it. Alright, next thing you do is you continue with the floral tape. Keeping it nice and tight there. Always stretched. As I go up, I'll turn it over, finish it up. Now what you want to do is when you get to the very top, you don't want to rip it because it just doesn't look that good. You will cut it. If my scissors will cut it. Now, oh man, well, it still turned out good, even though I ripped it at the end. That's all right. Not too bad. What do you think about that, Judy?
Good.
That look good?
Yeah.
All right, let's work on yours. Woohoo! Fancy. All right, here you go. Let's take all these tools out of your way. Scissors, especially. But remember now, you want to start at the very beginning, right? Do you want me to start it for you? Okay. What you want to do is get it right here, and let me get a couple twirls on it there with it. Twirls.
Twirl.
I know.
Or you could call it wraps.
Wrap. That is the right word right there. Okay, let's get it on there tight. Okay, let's get it sticking first. Yeah. Now, do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, what you do is, let me see. You gotta do it really tight, because it won't stick. You gotta stretch it. There you go. There you go. It's all right. Why don't you? Hold on. It's all right. Let's see. If you hold it like this, hold with this hand, like this, and then what you're gonna do? No, what you're gonna do is you're gonna twirl the pin, not the wrap.
Oh,
You see how you grab it and you just do it like this,
okay. Mommy.
and just like that. Okay, you can try it like that if you could do it. Now just keep this one really, really tight, and then there you go. That's, sounds like somebody needs some help.
Help.
Matt. Now you don't want to go. Let's unfold that a little bit. That's all right. You're getting it. Good job, Judy. There you go. Now, let's.
Just to get a flower.
Yeah, let's do it just a hair bit more. A little bit more. Like that. Nice and tight. We'll leave that off. You have one you want? I think they're all the same, but okay.
Maybe I'll have this.
This one?
Then
Oh, it has no little.
we.
Do you want to try to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, take these like this. Cut it like right around down here a little ways. A little more down.
Maybe.
There. Hard. Don't hurt yourself.
Maybe. Can I do it right here?
Yes. Come on, muscles. You want me?
I can do it.
Okay.
I think.
Okay.
Okay, I can't do it.
That's all right.
It's really hard. The plastic's really hard, Daddy.
I know. All right. Grab yourself.
Do you want me to tell you how it looks like at school?
How what
No.
looks like at school?
The leaf is put the whole way. The stem is put the whole way in.
Yeah, you could do that. You could do it either way. You could do.
It's going like this.
Yeah.
At school.
Yeah. You could do it however you want. Your pen.
I'm winning.
Do you want like that?
Uh-huh.
Let me just fix that on there.
Dad,
Oh, that's all right.
do you want me to help? I can pull off this tape. I learned at school.
Oh, you did.
I learned how not to hurt myself with the little point.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
We'll do it right here. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Is that alright?
Maybe it'll.
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll stick. Just be careful not to drop it.
I'll try my hardest. Alright. Now, go ahead. Let's see. Now you'll have to do it. You'll have to hold it like this and go up. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Hold it and then twist it and go up. There you go. So you gotta hold it tight. That's the only problem.
Yeah, it's falling out.
Okay, come on. Let me see. Let me do one thing here. Okay. Really tight. It takes a little bit of strength to do it, Judy.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, hold on. Again, we'll cut it.
Daddy, why is that little yellow thing right there?
I don't know, Judy. And there you go.
Daddy, me? Can I make one too?
Of course, buddy. Hold on. Let me put down Judy's here. Let me put this out. You can sit in this chair. All right, that's going to be it for this time. Thanks a lot. See you next time. That's going to do it for today's project. If you like any of the products used today, the links to the products are down below. If you like this video or any of my videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at dadlifeprojects or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Remember, for any project you do, you are the project manager. See you next time.